Hey guys, it is Tool Time Tuesday. We're with Mark Leppert. How are you, sir?
Doing good.
So we need help with storage, right?
Exactly. It's springtime.
It's spring. We think of spring cleaning, right? It's part of it is getting organized.
So just get organized in your garage, in your yard.
Now you're gonna talk all about sheds today, right?
We are that and some inside storage for inside your garage.
Okay, so
and guess what? I'm going to put you to work.
I know. I can't believe this. Now I can't even hammer a nail, so this should be
we're
really
gonna make
interesting,
this easy.
Mark.
So I'm going to have you start with this right here.
Okay.
I'm going to stand over here, give you this.
Wait, what's that?
A little impactor, make the work easy. How's that?
Right,
put
so
that in there. Good. I've already pre-drilled the holes.
Okay, wait. Watch your fingers. Seriously?
Let me do this. I'll start it for you.
All right.
How's that?
That sounds good. Now, what's the benefit of ceiling storage?
It takes everything off the floor.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah,
and
gives you more space. Easy as that.
Wait, did I? Wait, look closer. Look what I did. I left part of the tool on the screw. That's
easy.
how lame I am.
No, it's easy.
So this is basically what we're working towards here. The picture on this.
Absolutely.
What does one of these units cost? Oh, right there.
$59.
$60.
Yeah, Dixieline carries these.
And then you just, it looks really easy.
It is. The beauty of this is, too, is as they say, 75% of it is already complete for you when you take it out of the box.
How much
these
weight
are all
can these
things
take?
that you can do this, 250 pounds.
Okay, so this is good for storing not the heaviest of things, but things such as maybe like winter clothing, skis, whatever else.
Sure, those kind of items. You know, kids' items.
Okay.
So boom, there you're set. And then what we can do is we can take these storage containers.
Okay. And
you can just load those all up, put them on top.
Boom.
You're set.
Now
you can even take the smaller ones, double stack them. How's that?
So Mark, this is great.
Yeah, and you can do this in easily under a half hour.
Okay, so what about outside now?
Outside, here we go. We have all these different types of storage bins that we're showing here. So this one here is really good if we start and maybe work our way back for lawn and garden items. Rakes, brooms, shovels, that type of thing.
Excellent. Kids can play hide and seek.
Oh, there you go.
Does these come with locks or ability to lock them up?
They
right
do.
Here. Okay.
So what you can do is you can close them up and put the lock right across there, right where your fingers are.
Excellent. Now, what about rain? This will keep the rain off?
Keep the rain out, yeah.
Okay.
All acrylic.
And these come, you got to assemble these as well,
You have to assemble, but basically it's a 5-item piece for the walls, put the lid on, put the floor on, boom, you're done.
And what are these
really good.
What else did you bring?
And
you have
look
all
at
different
this.
sizes.
Yes. So these are good for like some of the kids' items. You can put bikes in here.
Right.
Has a plastic floor, so no rust.
Excellent.
Fantastic.
Very good. And
then we have the big one over here.
How many sizes do these all come in?
There's multitudes of
Just a bunch?
There are. This one here is really nice. You have the locking mechanism right here that locks the whole piece. So you can put the lock right in here. And then you pick this up. This has the gas pistons. And these open up like this. So you can wheel the kids' bikes in here. You can put your lawnmower in. If you want to keep, let's even say firewood.
So Mark Leppert from Leppert & Sons Contractors. What do these run?
This is $379.
And the little guys get cheaper?
And the little ones are under $300. That one there is $189, the big tall one.
Very good.
They're great.
Yeah.
So keep you organized. Make people think, hey, how can we get it all together here? Make room, get that extra car in the garage.
Shali, the most important thing is I didn't lose a finger and no one got hurt.
There you go.
That is very important, yes. We want you intact.